Hi y'all, excuse me Mr. Worship Leader, sorry about that. It's me, Abraham Lincoln. Just want to say a few announcements. Curios is coming up this Wednesday. It's the first brand new Awesomeness Wednesday coming up. And it's going to run a little longer, start a little early, 6:45. You want to be here. Make sure the little ones are fed because you're not getting out of here until 8:15. Mary! Just want to make sure you get my nice hat for tonight at the theater. We're going to go see Our American Cousin. I've never heard of this play at all. It's supposed to be really good, though. Also, daylight savings time is coming up. If you need to work it in, you got to make sure you get up late, 2 a.m. You change your clocks back. You want to fall back on this one. So at 2 a.m., it's actually 1 a.m. That way you don't get to church early, you know. And, Mary? Is that the Ford Theater, right? Because you make sure you tell Ward, because last time our driver just drove around for hours looking for that. I was trying to do this speech 7 years ago after I was brought apart in this continent, new nation. Anyways, also, Leader Advance is coming up November 8th and 9th, Saturday and Sunday. So on Saturday, it starts at 6:30 on the 9th. That Sunday morning, you want to make sure you're there at 9 o'clock and 10:45. It's just like service times. You can't forget that, can you? So if you are a ministry team leader, apprentice, coordinator, head coach, coordinator, director, if you got some silly little title in front of your name, you're a volunteer and you don't actually work here, this meeting's for you. Okay, so just make sure you be there. Also, right now, I want everybody to stand up on their feet. Just stand up. You, sir. Yeah, right there, a little past the front row. Even with the bald head going on, I'm talking to you. Stand up. I want you guys to greet everybody, say hi, give them a hug, and tell them who you like better. Abraham Lincoln, the guy that freed the slaves, or George Washington, that wooden teeth fella that chopped down cherry trees. You don't like that guy, do you?